Hi, welcome to JackFab. This is the Suburban shop. What is up, everyone? Welcome back. I'm back, and some things have changed. I sold the Silverado. Didn't need that anymore. As you can see, the Suburban, might have seen better days. The S10 is still here, and that's gonna get some changes too. So to explain the TikTok video that the lovely Lindsay and I have made, which that was my girlfriend, and no, it wasn't her idea to, well, it was my idea to cut it up. It may have been part of her idea to help, and we figured why not make a video doing it. But we had fun doing that. But to explain the Suburban, that thing sat outside the whole time I had it, which wouldn't be a problem. It was already rusted out on the rockers. But someone's shooting fireworks off right now. But what happened is it sat outside on the ground. Moisture was just kept eating it away. The whole bottom side of that thing on the rockers on both sides, driver's side being the worst, it was gone. The whole wheel tub inside was rusted, separated from everything. And then what happened when we moved it from the old house to this house, from jacking it up on one corner, trying to just jimmy it onto the rollback, it actually twisted the body. And so when I went to shut the doors, again, none of the latches lined up with the doors at all. So at that point it was, do I want to keep going on it? What am I going to do with it now? Because it's pretty well all but trashed. I mean, maybe I don't even know if I could have like straightened it out at all. But anyway, so well, now you can see the decision that was made. I do have a future project that we actually talked about, we saw one at the York Hot Rod Show, which I've been getting a lot into hot rods now. I'm still a mini trucker, but I mean, new things that have happened. I changed jobs and I now work at a restoration shop working on hot rods, muscle cars, custom stuff, which if you follow me on social media, you have realized this already because I've been posting stuff. But I have a car. It's not a truck. I have a car planned that I want to do. But first, we're going to get the S10 done. What are we doing with the S10? That's the exciting thing, because now I have a frame that's a full cantilever frame. What am I going to do with it? I think you can guess. The S10 will no longer be a little shop truck, or, you know, what I was going with it, just kind of an old school daily. No. Now it's going to get a full-blown frame, body drop, body mods, possibly new color. I don't know. I really like the tan, but we'll see what happens. The wheels I'm putting on the Blazer for now. I'll see if I use them for the S10 or not. I'm kind of thinking 20s. I don't know. Let me know if you know if 22s. I know 22s will fit up front, but I don't want to run a rubber band tire either. Because also I am rebuilding the LS out of the Silverado for the S10. No more 2.2. So if you need a 2.2, a 2.2 liter, not a skirt, I will have one available, fully rebuilt. Don't ask me if it runs. Silverado ran. Hey, whatever. That's besides the point. But the truck is getting a full rebuild, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that. As far as posting videos of me at work, I don't know yet. I might just shoot a couple things here and there just to update you what I'm doing, but we also might start a YouTube channel for the shop. So I probably won't mix in the content there. So I will let you know if I do that. That way you can follow me. But again, I'm back. I took a little hiatus. A lot of things have happened. Relationship, house changes, you know, kids getting out of school and summer vacation, trying to just do stuff with them. But life aside, I want to get back to my projects. I got a lot of house projects too, but that is what it is. But anyway, stay tuned. If you're back with me, thank you for sticking around to see what happens. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and check me out on all your social media platforms besides Twitter, because it just sucks. So that's that. Now you know what happened with that. The Suburban S10, you're up to date now. So make sure to keep watching and have a good night.